on the golden plains of Africa, where shadows blend with tall grass, where every movement could be a hunt or a battle. A lion crouches, muscles coiled, a force of instinct, muscle, and will, waiting to be unleashed. This is not just a hunt. This is a kingdom where every day is a trial of strength, strategy, and survival. Welcome to Savannah, land of claws and conflict. The lion is not merely strong, it is engineered for conquest. Males can weigh over 500 pounds and stretch more than 10 feet long. Their thick and imposing manes serve as armor and symbol, protecting the neck during clashes and signaling dominance across the land. Though more slender, females are equally powerful, the orchestrators of every hunt. With retractable claws, sharp canine teeth, and a powerful bite that exceeds 650 pounds per square inch. Lions are built to bring down even the most formidable prey. But brute strength is not. Every hunt begins long before the chase. Lions observe. They wait. They calculate. They target large herbivores, zebra, wildebeest, buffalo, and even young hippos. These animals offer enough food to feed the pride, but are not easy to bring down. It's a high-risk, high-reward decision, because in the savannah, even the strongest prey can fight back. Prey selection is strategic. Lions look for weaknesses, a limping leg, a distracted moment, a young animal wandering too far. Once a target is chosen, the pride moves with eerie silence. Each lion takes its position. They approach from downwind. They use cover. They surround. One lion may provoke, while others flank and close in. Then, like a coiled spring, they strike. Lions can burst up to 35 miles per hour in short distances. In group hunts, precision and timing are everything. But for lone hunters, every move must be perfect. There is no room for error. A successful takedown doesn't mean the battle is over. In fact, it may just be the beginning. Hyenas soon arrive, loud, persistent, and numerous. They harass and test, hoping to exhaust the lion's will. And still, the greatest danger may not come from rivals, but from the prey itself. Buffalo can defend with sudden force. A charging bull can lift a lion off the ground. Unforgiving land. Power means nothing without survival. Even kings have rivals, and in the savannah, danger comes from all directions. Hyenas are not just scavengers. They are tactical opportunists. With intelligence rivaling that of primates, they use complex vocalizations and social cues to coordinate attacks. When in packs of 20 or more, they don't simply chase, they siege. Surrounding a lion or a carcass, they test boundaries with mocking laughter and quick lunges. Gauging hesitation, waiting for exhaustion. What begins as a simple contest over meat becomes a battle of wills and endurance. A single lion may roar and stand firm. But when encircled by relentless attackers, even the mighty must yield. These encounters are not mere fights for food. They are power struggles, territorial chess matches, where hierarchy and dominance are redefined with every confrontation. And though lions often win the battle, the cost in energy, wounds, or fear slowly chips away at their throne. Leopards are elusive and solitary, masters of stealth, not confrontation. Though they are powerful predators in their own right, leopards avoid direct encounters with lions whenever possible. Smaller in size, but incredibly agile, they rely on trees, shadows, and silence to hunt and survive. In the savannah, the presence of a lion signals danger, not just for the hunt, but for life itself. When a lion enters their territory, leopards often retreat, vanishing into the underbrush or scaling trees with unmatched speed. To protect their kills, leopards drag prey high into the canopy, out of reach from lions and hyenas alike. It's a signature move, a strategy honed by generations of instinct. For females with cubs, the threat is even greater. A chance encounter with a lion could mean the loss of food, or worse, the loss of offspring. Cubs are carefully hidden in dense thickets or rocky outcrops, and mothers always remain hyper-vigilant. The conflict between lions and leopards is rarely seen, but it's deeply felt. It is not a war of battles, but of avoidance, territory, and survival. One rules through power and presence. The other endures through silence and skill. The river appears tranquil, but beneath its surface lies the primeval danger. Crocodiles are the silent assassins of the waterways, camouflaged in mud and patience. With a bite force exceeding 3,700 psi, more than 5 times that of a lion, they can crush bone in seconds. When lions approach the water's edge, be it to drink or cross, they enter another predator's domain. One wrong step, one moment of carelessness, and a lion can disappear beneath the surface, caught in the crocodile's devastating spin. These encounters rarely last over a few seconds, but their impact echoes across the pride.
Oh,
It's a reminder. Even the king must bow to forces he cannot control. Lions may rule the land, but in the liminal space between dust and water, the advantage shifts. Survival doesn't only mean hunting. It means holding your ground, even against your kind. Male lions frequently